Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So for this operation you will need to go to Settings, then go to the Connection and Sharing, then go to the Portable Hotspot. You can switch your hotspot here, you can change its settings here. For example, you can change its name here you can change its password. Here you can change its, if you want to have password, select this VPA2 personal. If you don't want to have password, just select none. You can change device identification. You can select its AP band. You can also display QR code to connect to your Wi-Fi here. You can set one-time limit data for the connected users here. You can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected. You can also enable this USB tethering feature and Bluetooth tethering feature. And you can also manage connected device here. You can set a limit of connections, and there's also a block list. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.